Neck words not coming in mouth. Here here हाँ जी, क्या हाल चाल। वेलकम टू न्यू ब्लॉग। इन ब्लॉग वी टॉक इन इंग्लिश। दिस इज डांसिंग, नहीं, सी इज डांसिंग।
What are doing? What are
Word not found.
doing? Word not found in my dictionary in English.
No single word say in Hindi, only English.
Anyone speak in Hindi, find will be 500. No, 1000. 1000. Every sentence.
1000
Every sentence.
you where? Like mean
In my
not in you.
in my purse.
See,
I will see. Where is my purse? In my purse.
it's mine, not your. More.
This is my purse.
Hey.
Tell. Speak. Speak. I will give you 1000 rupees per sentence.
It's mine, not your.
Where is written this is your? Where?
Borderland.
So?
It's man purse, not woman purse.
No. No.
You say no, so no. It's reality.
It's reality. Ki this is my.
It's my.
No. There is you are long. Speak. Sentence not found. Talk.
Actually, Hindi words not converting in English words. Neck words not coming in mouth. Here here
Search on Google.
and pupil not well in English. Not understand my
English.
words,
Your
my English,
Yes. Obviously, you are right.
because she is always laughing, not feel comfortable to talk in English. She is empathy dictionary.
Dictionary.
Word not found. Sentence not
Lost.
found. Lost.
Sentence is lost.
Forget.
So what?
Opposite नहीं.
Nahi?
No.
Yes. We sit like a candlelight dinner, but not candlelight dinner. It is laptop discussion.
Candle. ले आओ.
Yeah. I
Where is
1,000 rupees you transfer in my account. Transfer
Your
GPay. Yes.
candle. Where is candle?
Where? This is
Stand. Candle.
candle stand.
Ah.
This is candle stand.
Oh.
So
Yes.
where is candle?
Yeah. Candle. Candle come. Come candle. Stand here.
Where is candle come
Here.
here and there? A dinner?
You make dinner? City morning?
Come whistles.
Yes. Whistle.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Here. Make decoration. Dinner.
Yes, this is decoration. This is decoration.
This is workplace.
This is decoration.
It's workplace. My workplace.
But you say this is a candlelight dinner area.
We clean and
We clean.
adjust.
No, we clean. No, you clean.
I clean this place and make candlelight dinner here.
Okay. When? Tonight?
Candle stand.
When?
Found candle.
Yes.
Then लगाएं. Stand here. She is laughing and my English gone. Furr.
Okay.
You teacher.
Yes. Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
Good.
Good.
So we are learn together English poem.
Poem not learned.
Not learn. So what learn?
Eating.
Only
Only
eating.
eating.
You love eating. What
Sweet.
is
Sweet. You not like sweets?
a never?
This is red chili. Green chili. Chili.
Yes, I love. This area.
This is khatai area.
Yes.
You not comfortable in English.
I comfortable in English.
No, you not continuing in talking with in English. You very thinking in English. Say continue, teach and talk with English.
You love sweet dish. What I teach? What I teach?
You
I
say
teach rasgulla.
alert.
Making rasgulla.
Yes. You
I-
not making rasgulla?
No,
I love rasgulla.
but I'm not making rasgulla.
It's your problem.
This is your problem because you love rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
I made chowmin, hi, tikki, you yummy, momos, aloo tikki.
Potato tikki. फंस गई. फंसा बंदा फंसा.
No,
So this is a blog. कोशिश with मतलब trying in English, but she
next
failed.
vlog in English. Continue. Okay. Try my best.
टाटा बाबा जय राम जी.